everyone, welcome back to my channel, a place where you can find haul, unboxing, product review, home decor and more. So today I bring you a nice video. It's all about the Dior Lady Stud Sunglasses. I think this is super amazing because I've been keeping my eyes on these specific sunglasses. The amazing part is that these glasses are right now in amazing deal. So stay tuned because I'm going to tell you where you can get it and what kind of price or sale they have right now. So I'm going to start with the unboxing, and I'm going to show you a super nice glasses holder, a acrylic glasses stand, and I'm going to show you how to put it together because I saw in reviews that people have a hard time and they actually find it difficult, and I'm going to tell you what they are doing wrong, and I'm going to show you the piece. So let's enjoy this unboxing. Okay guys, we are right here with these glasses, and look at this. It comes in this bag right here. I got it from Nordstrom. And Nordstrom have these same sunglasses a few weeks ago. Its regular price is $480. They had it for 55% off. So then last week they put it down for 40% off. And as they're right now, they have it for 60% off. So that is pretty amazing deal. It's a Dior and Dior in the other side, and you can there. This is called Lady Dior Stud, and you can see they have kind of like the design of the cut of the Dior, Lady Dior bag. Then you open it like this. It's a Burberry kind of texture in the inside, which is pretty cool. It comes with this cleaning code, say Dior, simple, nothing. Right here, that's the little card. Over here, another, I don't know what is, all kind of like explanation, I guess, of the frame. It's a hardcover, definitely hardcover box. And we're now gonna go for the glasses, which is this one. This is a nice little pouch. Then we have the glasses. It's very good protected. And we're gonna see right now. I can't wait. So I hope this video don't come too dark. Right here. So this is the glasses, guys. You can see over here on the top here, it have a CD, which Christian Dior. Then we come in the front, it have this nice, it's a dainty stud at the temples, which is adding an extra flash of glamorous to an Italian crafted sunglasses in a classy square profile, which is the frame. This is a 54mm lens width with 18 bridge width and 140mm template length. 100% UV protection. Is a nylon lenses made in Italy, which is very nice. I went for this one because I love to keep something especially for this price, even though it's super good Dior. It's a great Dior. I like to pick pieces that I can use for literally years and years and years to come. This is very nice one, seems very classic, very style, something that it will stay for a long time. I love the detail. Doesn't scream the brand like crazy, but give a nice touch. As you can see, the Dior word right there in a little gold accent, and literally the stud design with the kind of like a Lady Dior original design of more like classic design. So that's what I think. This is a very nice classic sunglasses that can be used at any time, any occasion, and that give it like a nice touch of a style, but nothing crazy. So pretty. Also it have here, let me show you. You can see right here is wearing Saint Christian Dior. The glasses in a perfect condition, is new, super pretty, have a nice steady way of, you know, hold it down there. I just love it. I just love it, and I show you guys right now how they look on me. And you guys let me know what you guys think. Let me in the comment down below if this is something you will consider for yourself or for somebody else. Let me know if you like this style, what you think. I'm gonna show you right now, guys, what I bought for these and other glasses that I got, and another one that I purchased. I bought this nice acrylic stand. I'm gonna insert a picture or a little clip with them stand up with the glasses on, but I just want to let you know very quick, because I don't worry about it. I'm gonna leave you the link down below just in case you are interested in this piece. I think they look so pretty, so chic, especially in your closet or wherever you you know, want to put your glasses. It have 5 kind of like of department to put the glasses, but I'm gonna show you what I want to show you. Already the package comes with 2 pieces, which is nice. This is the other one. Usually come 2 like that. This which is 1 piece, and the other one. I already put the other one together. And I noticed something, because I want to do it here with you guys, because I noticed a lot of people had trouble putting it together. They complained in the review when I was considering to buy it. They complained in the review that this screw right here, when they put this piece, right, which is an acrylic piece, the screw stick out. The head of the screw stick out. So what I noticed, right, you just unscrew this from over here. Let me see. You unscrew it from over here, right? And you're gonna notice, let me show you right now. You're gonna notice in this other piece, which is the base, is the 2 side hole. So one side is countersink. So that means, and the other side is not. So that means the countersink hole is like this one gonna go inside and gonna be flat to the same surface of the base. So you put this here, and you can see you don't feel anything sticking out. So what I believe is a lot of reviews, or few reviews, that they complain about that. And of course, when the head stick out, the frame of the stand gonna be wobbly and moving around. So that's what the problem. So keep eye on that. Make sure you put it in the side that is countersink, and you should have no problem at all in putting that piece, and then screw it back in, and you're gonna see how stunning and nice that look. I think it look very pretty, very nice, and steady. It don't look like you will have any problem at all. So over here you see that is nothing right there that could cause any problem. It's completely flat. So I'm going to show you right now, guys, how it look with both of them. You just have to make sure you tie it up very good. It's good. It's pretty tight there. It don't go anywhere. Oh, it's too straight. I want to put it straight. And this is how it look. It's perfect there. And I'm gonna show you. Look at how nice that hold that there.